Okay, real quick. This one's trending hard, and I totally get why. This product's everywhere right now, and it deserves the attention. Smooth performance, clean design, and the price? Honestly, a total steal. If you're curious, check the link in the description. You'll see why everyone's talking about it. Hold up! You gotta see this one. It's been everywhere lately. Everyone's hyped about this, and I was curious too. Turns out, it's totally worth it. Great quality, simple to use, and the results are exactly what you'd hope for. Don't wait too long. It's getting tons of attention and might run out soon. Links below. Hold on! This one's getting crazy good reviews everywhere. I've tried a bunch of products like this before, but this one hits different. It's efficient, simple, and feels next level compared to others. Go see the full details through the link. It's seriously one of the best finds lately.
Wait a second, this one caught me off guard. It's actually that good. It's been trending for weeks and the reviews are insane. People love how easy it is to use, how good it feels, and how reliable it's been. I didn't expect it to work.